up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, be sure to, if you haven't yet, get subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, head over to the website at watchjoshwiley.com, where you can see a bunch of different prices for machining stuff that I offer. And there is a discount code page where it's got a bunch of different companies that my channel works with. It's got links to take you directly to their website, which does help out the channel a lot, and there's also discount codes for you to use and get a little bit of money saved off of anything you buy there. So be sure to check out the website and get subscribed to the channel. Now let's get on to the video. I got a really cool light bar from this company to put on the new truck. Now this is a light strip that you can get from SilverHolder. You can get it in white like I did, or you can get it in blue if you want to do that. It comes in a bunch of different links, so whatever you're planning on putting this on, you want to measure, figure out where exactly you want to put this, because every vehicle is going to be different. You've got different links that you can pick from. I think they do 59 inches, 70 inches, and 79 inches, I think, and there might be one or two other more sizes. But I'm putting this on the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado that I have. I've done a bunch of different videos on doing stuff to that. If you're interested, I think there's a whole playlist here on the channel. You can check that out. But that's what this is going on, and I decided to get the 70-inch light strip. And you can get this particular light strip for $30. If you get a shorter one, it's a little bit cheaper. If you get a longer one, it's a little bit more expensive, but usually around 30 bucks. Now, installing this, I didn't want to see this at all. I wanted it to be completely hidden, but still be, when you turned it on or when it came on, you'd be able to see it clearly. So this is going to be hard to do, or thinking about how you want to do it is going to be hard. Install is not that big of a deal. Now, the way you mount this is it has sticky tape on both sides, so you can do however you need to pull this off and do it. It's real easy. Just pull the red backing off and stick it on wherever you're going to go. With the 2020 Silverado, I've seen other people with Chevy Silverados, but a little bit different models, different years, so little things here and there are different. I've seen a lot of videos here on YouTube of people with Chevy Silverados, some just a year newer or older than mine, that were able to do it a certain way. But I wasn't able to do it that way for one reason or another, where something just didn't line up right, or you would have seen it really bad, or it would just have looked cheesy. So I had to figure out how I wanted to mount this. The only way I could keep it hidden to where you can't really see it unless I point it out to you, but you can see it clearly when it comes on, especially at night. The only way I was able to do that is actually mount it on the hood. So once I got it stuck on the hood how I wanted it to, since it's on the hood, I had to run wires down the hood, back down to the engine bay. The black negative wire went straight to the negative terminal on the battery. And it is worth noting, the red positive wire, it actually came with a inline fuse already in the line. So that was a plus, so you don't have to worry about doing that. But the red wire came down, and I wanted no switch or anything. I wanted this light to come on when I started it or when I unlocked it, but I only wanted it to come on at night. If it was daytime, sunny outside, I didn't want to use that. I wanted it to stay off. So what I ended up doing was hooking it to the low beam headlights on my truck. So it will only come on when it's dark, or if you turn on the headlights. So just when it's dark, if I start it or unlock the truck, it'll come on and look really cool. So that's how I was able to do that, is just tie it straight into the low beam headlight. Now, how I was able to do this, I actually did this before in another video. My truck didn't originally come with fog lights, so I got aftermarket fog lights that fit the truck, fit the holes for fog lights, got them installed, figured out what wire the low beams were hooked to, and hooked my fog lights to that. I had a little bit of the wire sticking out of the pocket down in there, which you can see in the clip, and I did this wire for this light strip to the same exact wire. So my fog lights and this light strip will only come on when I unlock the truck or start it when it's dark outside. They won't come on at all if it's sunny, because the low beam headlights won't come on. So that is how I pulled this off. Install was really easy, because you just pull the back off and stick it wherever you want to do, wherever you want to go. And wiring, you can do that a bunch of different ways. This is how I ended up doing it. So if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you haven't yet, be sure to consider getting subscribed. Head over to the watchjoshwiley.com website for discount codes to save you a little bit of money, and be sure to follow me over on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you in the next one. See you.